Hello, and welcome to our virtual Blue and Gold Day on Living Learning Communities. My name is Joe Ebinger, and I am the resident coordinator for St. Catherine Hall, where all four Living Learning Communities are located. So what is a Living Learning Community? Living Learning Communities are on-campus residential communities designed to enhance and enrich student experience by connecting students to each other and to faculty and staff through shared interests. How do we do that here? LLCs are themed communities where students live in close proximity with one another and who have faculty and staff advisors with backgrounds in those areas. And students who join tend to be happier, they tend to have better grades, and they tend to have higher rates of retention in the university. LaSalle's four LLCs are Cultural Exploration and Diversity, Wellness and Mindful Living, Creative and Performing Arts, and Signum Fidei, which is our service LLC. And we'll go through all four right now. Cultural Exploration and Diversity is focused on promoting positive citizenship and social justice through global awareness, multicultural education, and cross-cultural dialogue. This year, it was very common for this LLC to have many scheduled cultural discussions, field trips to museums and restaurants, where they would learn about how other cultures experience their daily life, where they would learn about how cultures ate food and prepared food, and you could see pictures of some of those events here on the screen. This is the lounge for Cultural Exploration and Diversity. Next, we have Wellness and Mindful Living. Wellness and Mindful Living is designed to foster all 8 aspects of wellness: social, mental, emotional, physical, environmental, occupational, intellectual, spiritual, and financial. That is quite a mouthful, but we do try to have events that cater to all those aspects of wellness. So students involved do have quite a deal of say over what direction they want to take it in. Those events this year were circus school, hiking, spa night, and ice skating. This is the lounge for the Wellness and Mindful LLC. Next, we have Creative and Performing Arts. Creative and Performing Arts, or CAPA, is geared toward providing a welcoming space for students who are interested in expressing or performing their creativity. This year, common programs were paint night, pottery, live shows. Students went to museums, and students also took the initiative and put on some of their own creative endeavors. Some were involved in our theater troupe here on campus, and others had paint nights of their own that they hosted in the residence hall. And this is the Creative and Performing Arts Lounge, where there is a stage, a piano, and a guitar. Lastly, we have Signum Fidei. Signum Fidei is Latin for sign of faith. Sometimes it's called Signum for short, and it's our service-oriented LLC. Students are encouraged to do one service opportunity per week, but there are no fixed hourly requirements. And some of those service opportunities included Feed Philly, neighborhood tutoring, Habitat for Humanity, Special Olympics, but there were others that students were involved in this year. And this is the lounge for the Signum LLC. In conclusion, LaSalle University has 4 LLCs, which you see defined here, and these are a great way to get involved and to make friends. Often the hardest part about making friends is finding the things we have in common, and Living Learning Communities kind of separate that step for you. Information on the application process will be forthcoming, but if you have any questions, please feel free to contact housing@lasalle.edu. Thank you for your interest, and if LLCs are right for you, I hope you apply. Bye.